TikTok family. Aloha from Newport Beach. It's me, Dr. K, and this is our statistician, Alex. Lots of you have probably talked to her if you reached out to PCH Med Spa for your endolift or other treatments. I'm very delighted to have the opportunity to go live and chat with you guys and see your names on the screen and tell you about how appreciative we are for your support and your trust, because you guys let us work on your most precious physical figure, which is your face and neck. Okay? So we don't take it for granted. We come to work considering all the love and trust that you have and try to give that back to you by improving our technique, by improving our craft, by adding different complementary treatments to what we already offer. Okay? And I'm going to tell you about one of them today. Or we're going to tell you. PRX T33 chemical peel from Italy. Okay? There we go. So now she's applying this peel. A lot of regular peels are, as you may know, it's TCA. Okay? This one has TCA but also has H2O2, which delivers the TCA right through your skin. So as she's applying, I am feeling a little burn and tingly on my cheeks. It's very manageable. Of course, we did not numb. So after cleansing the skin, this peel is applied and massaged into the skin. It goes right through the epidermis, which is your superficial layer, right to dermis and deeper layers. So you won't really have the downtime or the peel that you get with other peels, okay? For example, VI peels or all these other chemical peels, or even laser peel, because they all peel your skin. So they, kind of flake off your epidermis. Right, Alex?
That's right. And I'm applying 3 pounds of pressure, so that's what you're noticing here. You gotta really put the 3 pounds of pressure to really push that product into the skin.
Beautiful.
Frosting is not necessarily what we want at the moment. That lets you know that you're not putting enough pressure as you're applying the chemical peel. But this is perfect for summertime, anyone looking to improve their fine lines and wrinkles. And it takes just about 15 minutes, so you can even do this on a quick lunch break if you're in a rush.
Beautiful. Thank you, Alex. Quick lunch break, no downtime. She applies the product right through the skin with the gentle yet firm pressure, like she said, 3 pounds, and it goes right through the skin. You won't have flakiness. You won't have any peeling. I've done this, usually I try to do it every 3 months, either here or in Fountain Hills, which is our Arizona clinic, but I've skipped a few months, and I see Alex is very passionate and she does a great job. So I'm like, Alex, let's do one session. And so far, I'll tell you, she does a great job. So this will firm up your skin, okay? It will help you with texture, glow, brightness. It will hydrate your skin. It's a very nice maintenance treatment. The dermatologist I believe she's from Milan, Italy. I could be wrong about the city, but she's Italian, and she made an empire by combining these two products, TCA and H2O2, and she basically became international sensation by this invention. She basically became international sensation by this invention. Again, I just feel tiny tingles, and this goes right through, okay? And no downtime, okay? You can usually repeat this a couple of times if you want better result with something like this maintenance treatment, okay, whatever it is, usually we encourage a couple of treatments every couple of weeks, okay? Either it's Rejuron, like the salmon DNA booster, or even like a laser peel, like the Hollywood peel that we have, or these are smaller treatments, IPL laser, all those BBL, right? A couple of sessions, couple of weeks apart, and then you do a maintenance every 3 months. So I'm gonna have her do another one, maybe in about a month for me, because she's doing very nice and tight. So I know I'm gonna get a very nice improvement from this. And then every 3 months, I'm gonna have her doing this. Also, you can do this on the hands. So for hand anti-aging preventive measures, also kind of getting a little bit of wrinkling improved and boosting effect and firmness. This is a great treatment, right, Alex?
That's absolutely correct.
I saw you mention the hand, and that's something that a lot of our folks like to improve, their hand laxity and the wrinkling.
Absolutely. We want our hands to match our face. If you're working super hard on keeping yourself young and looking tight and bright, then you can't forget about that neck, you can't forget about that décolleté, you sure as heck cannot forget about your hands. So
awesome.
Here is your reminder.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So you can see right away, my skin is a little brighter. It feels very good. It feels firmer. So it's kind of a instant thing, okay? And you have a little bit of, what's your post-op at home, Alex? Tell us about that.
So ideally you are purchasing this in a series of 4. We can space it out just as the doctor mentioned here, but ideally we would be doing this once a week over the course of 4 weeks. We will send you home with some creams and a nice smoothing fluid so that you can keep your skin nice and hydrated. And that's pretty much it. Just applying the serum, applying the cream during the process of getting this peel. And after that, you can resume your normal skincare regimen.
Beautiful. So basically some hydrating and revitalizing boosters at home. And this is what this is called biorevitalization. So I tell you about the treatments that we do. We start with bigger treatments when you come in, you know, the fractional laser, endolift, cool laser, all those stuff. Then, yes, hi Cherry. I can't wait for my endolift. Yes, hopefully soon.
Yay.
And then every couple of months, we do these kind of treatments to biorevitalize, biostimulate, okay? This is the best to do something every month, okay? It's much more effective than the expensive lasers or even surgery. If you do something small over time. See now she's applying this again and massaging it again. Very good. I'm sorry, say again?
Yeah, so we're doing another pass here on the face.
Exactly, that's what I thought it is. Very
Yeah.
good. Okay.
Yeah, the very last one we'll be applying to his neck and right underneath his eyebrow to make sure his eye skin stays also very tight and firm.
So it's a comprehensive treatment. It includes the whole face, eyes, and the neck. PRX T33. It's very cost-effective treatment. You know, all 4 sessions will be under $1,000. So call us about details. And definitely you can do it once a week, every other week. Even you can do it once a month. You know, there's no wrong with this. Of course, if you want quicker treatment, you do it once a week or every 2 weeks. And then you finish your 4 sessions and you come in 3 to 6 months for some booster and touch up. When you come again, you don't need 4 sessions necessarily. You can just do 1. You can space it out, okay? Hope that helps you. Any questions you guys have, go ahead and shoot your questions. Otherwise, you can basically just write your questions in the comments below this post. We're gonna post this as a live session about PRX T33. Awesome, now we're doing the neck, okay? Thank you everybody for attending. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
Talk to you guys soon. Ciao. Bye-bye.